Good morning students. Today I am explaining to you lesson number 4, the keyboard. In this lesson I will explain to you caps lock key, shift key, home and end key and window key. You have learned about some keys in standard first. These are the number keys, backspace key, delete key, alphabet key, spacebar key and enter key. And what is the function of number keys, backspace key, you already know. Now we will see the function of number keys. We can press the numbers with the help of number keys. See, you can press the numbers with the help of number key. We can press the letters with the help of alphabet key. It is the alphabet keys. Backspace key is used to erase left side letter from the cursor, and delete key is used to erase right side letter from the cursor. Spacebar key is used to give the space between the two words, and enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. These are the keys we already learned in the first standard. Now let us learn about some more keys. One is the caps lock key, shift key, then home and end key and window key. What is the use of caps lock key? If we are pressing the letters here, it is coming in small letters. But if we want the capital letters, that time you have to press the caps lock key. If you will press the caps lock key, your keyboard, there is a 3 lights and that lights will glow. Green light will glow. And that time if you will press the letters, that all letters will come in the capital. Means caps lock key is used to type the capital letters. Next is the shift key. Shift key is used to type capital letters as well as symbols. You can see here in the 1 number exclamation mark is there, in 2 number @, in 3 number hash, 4 number $, 5 number %. Like this, these symbols are there. If we want to press that symbol, simply if you are pressing the numbers, it will come numbers. But if we want these symbols, that time you have to press the shift key and then 1, it will come that your shift and 1 exclamation mark, shift and 2 @, shift and 3 hash, shift and 4 $, will come. Like this symbol will come if you will press shift with 1, 2 like this. That symbol will come, upper symbol will come with the help of shift key. And if caps lock is off and if you are pressing shift and shift and A, your small letter, capital letter will come. Shift and S, shift and D, it will come capital letters. Means shift key is used to type the symbols as well as for pressing the capital letter. One things you have to note down here. We are generally use the caps lock key when we type the word or full sentence. If we want the capital letter, that time we are pressing the caps lock key. And if we want to press single letters in capital, that time we will press the shift key. Home and end key and window key. What is the use of home and end key? Home key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the line, and end key is used to move the cursor to end of the line. We can see here, we will press here home key. Here is the home key. If you will press this home key, your cursor will come on the beginning of the line. And if you will press the end key, your cursor will come immediately to the end of the line. We can see again, home key is used to move the cursor beginning of the line, and end key is used to move the cursor at the end of the line. Next is the window key. It is the window key and it is used to open the start menu. If you will press this window key, your start menu will open. If you will press again, your start menu will go, and again if you will press the window key, your start menu will open. These are the uses of caps lock key, shift key, home and end key, and windows keys. Understood, student? Thank you.